Nestled within the emerald embrace of Santa Teresa's rainforest, two modern havens emerge, their steel skeletons reaching skyward like graceful dancers. Studio Saxe, renowned architects, have reinterpreted the modernist language of exposed beams and concrete for a tropical context. This is not just a vacation rental, it's an exploration of authentic Central American architecture. Sunlight streams through expansive openings, blurring the lines between indoors and the lush surroundings. Crafted wooden screens and floors whisper of local traditions, grounding the design in its heritage. Cantilevered spaces, cradled by black metal frames, create intimate social areas that seamlessly flow into the vibrant outdoors. A delicate timber staircase, suspended like a dream on slender cables, whispers of nature's artistry. Each level unveils breathtaking panoramas, connecting you to the soul of the rainforest. Perched on a hilltop, Joya Villas grants you dominion over some of the region's most coveted surf breaks. Imagine watching the turquoise waves crash from your infinity pool, or simply strolling down to the pristine beach for an invigorating dip. Architect Benjamin Garcia Saxe aptly describes Joya Villas as a reflection of a new wave. It's a symphony of modern techniques and handcrafted elements, where nature takes center stage. Every detail is designed to evoke relaxation and reflection, fostering a connection with the essence of Central America. important to remember that home is not just a place to live, but also a place where we can gather with family and loved ones. Therefore, it is important to choose a home design that suits your needs and lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our latest videos. See you in the next video.